Hello and welcome to MTD CNC India. We are here at RN1 Engineering. Today I am meeting Mr. Naveen from Manav Marketing and we are standing in front of an automatic part loader here. So Mr. Naveen, please tell us about this automatic part loader.
This is a APL machine that we can load with the normal CNCs like lathe and mill. We can load it as a extra accessories. So this is actually where the CNC machine is required. There the manpower is definitely required. So that if we ever that no manpower, so we will install. If we install the APL, this will ever the manpower. So here the manpower is not required. Once we set the part will run automatically. Means that it will load the part and it will, after finishing the part, it will catch it again and it will load on the table.
Very interesting. So you are talking about automation here. By using this automatic part loader, you can remove the manpower and it will work automatically. So it will reduce the cycle time as well, or what?
Yes, definitely. Normally when the operator load the part, no, it will take some time. So here we are eliminating the time of the loading the part and removing the part. Here the part automatically it will insert inside the check, and it will, after finishing the part, it will take it out and it will keep on the safe place.
Awesome, awesome. So you are saying that you can also do the automation, remove the manpower, plus you reduce the cycle time as well, and it saves a lot of money for your customers.
Yes.
So this brings to me my next question. Is it can be connected to only this particular Haas S10 model or other Haas models as well?
Yeah, we have so many models on ST10 to ST45, so we can connect the requirement of the part. As well, this is a lathe machine, and we can connect on the milling machines also, like VF2, VF4 and VF5, BM series, every machine. Wherever the manpower is not required, that we can connect that APL.
Amazing, amazing. Very nice to know that. So tell me, what is your relationship with RN1 Engineering, and what is the relationship between Manav Marketing and RN1 Engineering?
Yes, when RN1 is established, we are the first machine in the RN1. Now we slowly grow up the company as well. We are also growth. Now around some 50 machines are in the RN1. We have 25 machines, and slowly we are also growing. When we are also growing.
That's nice to hear.
And also I just want, and I just want to tell something. And in the RN1 we have different varieties of machine, like a 5-axis machine, UMC 750, and VF2 with TR160 and TRT 160, and productivity based machines and DT1 and DT2 as well. And we have different models on VF2, VF4 and mini mill as well.
Great, great. Thank you, Naveen, for telling us all this information. Thanks a lot. It was right night meeting.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.